Welcome to this guide on Filecoin, a groundbreaking decentralized storage network. Filecoin represents a new approach to storing files on the internet using blockchain technology. Unlike traditional cloud storage services that are controlled by single companies, Filecoin creates an open marketplace where anyone can store or provide storage space. Think of it as a peer-to-peer system where users and storage providers connect directly, removing the need for centralized intermediaries. Filecoin is a peer-to-peer network that enables users to store and retrieve data through a decentralized marketplace. Instead of relying on one company like Amazon or Google for cloud storage, Filecoin distributes your files across multiple independent storage providers around the world. The network is built on top of IPFS, which stands for Interplanetary File System, a protocol for distributed file sharing. What makes Filecoin special is that it adds a blockchain layer on top of IPFS, creating economic incentives that encourage people to provide reliable storage services. The Filecoin ecosystem consists of four main components that work together. First, we have clients, who are users that pay to store and retrieve their data on the network. Second, storage providers offer their available disk space to the network and earn FIL tokens, which is Filecoin's native cryptocurrency, in return for their services. Third, miners validate blocks and maintain the network's consensus mechanism, ensuring everything runs smoothly. Finally, the blockchain itself records all transactions and storage deals, creating a transparent and immutable record of all activities on the network. Let's walk through how a storage deal works on Filecoin. First, a client submits a storage request that includes their data and the payment terms they're willing to offer. Next, storage providers on the network bid on this deal based on their available capacity and the price they want to charge. Once the client selects a provider, the deal is recorded on the blockchain and the data is transferred to the storage provider. Finally, and this is crucial, the provider must continuously prove they are storing the data through cryptographic proofs. This ensures accountability and reliability throughout the storage period. Filecoin uses two innovative cryptographic proof mechanisms to ensure data is stored reliably. The first is called Proof-of-Replication. Abbreviated as POREP, this mechanism verifies that a storage provider has created a unique physical copy of the client's data on their hardware. The second mechanism is Proof-of-Spacetime, or POSD. This continuously confirms that the data is being stored over time as agreed in the storage deal. Together, these proofs create a trustless system where clients don't need to blindly trust storage providers, as the network automatically verifies storage commitments through mathematics and cryptography. The FIL token powers the entire Filecoin ecosystem through multiple functions. First, it serves as the payment medium where clients pay storage providers in FIL tokens for their storage services. Second, miners earn FIL as block rewards for validating transactions and creating new blocks on the blockchain. Third, FIL acts as collateral that storage providers must stake as a guarantee for reliable service. This staking mechanism creates accountability. Fourth, if providers fail to maintain their storage commitments, they face penalties where they lose their staked FIL tokens. This economic model aligns incentives and ensures network participants act honestly. Filecoin's foundation is built upon the Interplanetary File System, known as IPFS. IPFS uses content address storage, which means files are identified by cryptographic hashes of their content rather than their location. This enables distributed file sharing across a peer network without requiring centralized servers. However, IPFS alone doesn't guarantee that files will be stored permanently. This is where Filecoin comes in. Filecoin adds a persistence layer through paid storage deals, creating economic incentives for long-term, reliable storage. Together, IPFS and Filecoin provide both the technical infrastructure and economic framework for truly decentralized storage. Filecoin offers several compelling advantages over traditional storage solutions. First is decentralization, meaning there's no single point of failure or control, making the network more resilient. Second, Filecoin provides verifiable storage through cryptographic proofs that ensure data integrity without requiring trust. Third, the competitive marketplace structure drives cost efficiency, as storage providers compete with each other on price and service quality. Fourth, the distributed nature of the network provides censorship resistance, preventing any single entity from taking down or blocking access to stored data. These benefits make Filecoin an attractive option for individuals and organizations seeking secure, reliable, and censorship-resistant storage. Filecoin serves a wide variety of practical use cases. For data archival, organizations can use Filecoin for long-term storage of historical records, backups, and compliance data. For decentralized application storage, developers can build their applications on Filecoin as a backend infrastructure, creating truly decentralized apps. For media distribution, creators can store and distribute videos, music, and NFT assets without relying on centralized platforms. Finally, for research data, scientists and institutions can use Filecoin to preserve large datasets in a verifiable and permanent manner. As Web3 continues to grow, Filecoin's role as decentralized storage infrastructure becomes increasingly important. Let's recap the essential points about Filecoin. First, Filecoin creates a decentralized marketplace for data storage, connecting users who need storage with providers who have available space. Second, the network uses cryptographic proofs, specifically Proof-of-Replication and Proof-of-Spacetime, to verify storage reliability without requiring trust. Third, Filecoin builds on IPFS to add economic incentives, transforming a file-sharing protocol into a sustainable storage economy. Finally, FIL tokens power the entire ecosystem economy, functioning as payment, rewards, collateral, and governance. Understanding these core concepts provides a solid foundation for exploring how Filecoin is reshaping decentralized storage in the Web3 era.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.